already. So as some of you know already, we did hit our monetization. So we will have ads on most of all of our videos now. We want to say, first of all, thank you to everybody that subscribes to us, that has watched all of our videos, that watches part of our videos. Just, we appreciate all of you so very, very much. And that being said, we will have a monetization party. We'll do this on Sunday the 22nd at 8 p.m. Central Time. That's 9 Eastern and 6 Pacific, right? Yeah. Okay. So Jerry Holly, friend of ours, has given us his time slot for that Sunday night. So thank you, Jerry. And we have games planned. We'll do some giveaways and chat and whatever. So we hope everybody can make it to that. Also, we want to say that we will be setting up memberships. We'll have 3 levels of memberships. So we're going to do the $1.99, the $4.99, and the $9.99. And there will be different perks for each level. Obviously, the higher you go in the levels, the more perks you will get. We will have custom badges and emojis so that when you're in any of our premieres or live streams, you'll be able to use the custom emojis.
Even if you're not a member or don't sign up for it, we will still.
Oh yeah.
You know, no obligations.
Oh yeah. Yeah, we appreciate you no matter what you do. Anything you do for our channel helps us, and we appreciate that. We also have, which we've had for a little bit, we have a store, a Teespring store, where you can get merchandise for Happy Place, show your support for Happy Place Camping. We have our logo, t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, whatever. And then recently we added a couple of t-shirts that are
the magnet fishing.
Magnet fishing, yeah. Phew, boy, you know. But anyway, so yeah, we have the magnet fishing t-shirt and hoodie. I think it's the only 2 we did. We may add more stuff as time goes on, and we think about, you know, something comes up that we think we should put in the store. We may do that too. So keep an eye on our store, and the link for that is always in our description, video descriptions, and on our about page too. So you can find that there. We also have, we've had for a while, we have a Buy Me Coffee link that we use if you want to donate to that. That can be a one-time donation. Obviously, again, you don't have to do that, but we do appreciate anyone who does donate to us. The link for our coffee, Buy Coffee, is always in all of our video descriptions. It's also on our About page, and if you're on desktop, it's on the banner, so you can donate there if you wish. And as we've already said a couple of times, we don't expect anybody to donate or become a member, but it is very appreciated. But we love all of our subscribers and everyone that does anything to help our channel. We think you all are great, and we could not have done it without you. We have to have you guys. So we wouldn't have a channel without you. So we appreciate you all, and we hope to see you on Sunday, the 22nd, 8 p.m. Central Time, 9 Eastern, and 6 Pacific. And we will do some giveaways and have some fun, hopefully.
Be sure you tune in, because I might talk.
Maybe. Who knows? See you there.